starting. If you did
a video can one that. There's one. Oh,
when I bought them a corn, what I love me as I made this a come quad or pado. That was your same fast winning Miss Namena make a sign here to say to you. Ah,
Mina invite you to see it. That's it. Friend negotiating. Why don't you join the conversation?
I don't even know.
Sorry. Adane. And no, it's not boy. No, hey. I don't want to stop here. Eh?
Hey.
Oh, that.
Tell me, friend.
Hey. Anyways,
I don't know if you tell me.
That's all. Quite when I get to be a mountain.
You do not. But that's because I say. Let me was saying, not because I say. You need enough money, but the same amount. So, my dinner also something. I only always go.
Or you come on.
Go one.
So,
let me see. How? Wow.
Guy.
This guy, I've been crushing on him. Like things.
wow.
Wow, this the guy is
And
pictures.
I'm only back say,
He looks so handsome, yeah. Yeah. Shake. Watch your uncle for said your movie drills in fact. This guy. He's a medical doctor, Charlie.
Mommy should be another
handsome.
Very handsome.
Hey, we say no more like you don't pay them a
oh, well, I should have never called Biasa.
But yeah, you pay. I don't pay.
I am a crash show. Just like when you born, so I compare 1 year.
Hey! I think. But
me, what did I say?
I want to knock us out.
We can TikTok the beer, but Charlie, no vibe.
Sir.
My doctor.
Because we need some bonnet high now, we're female. Professional doctor.
Yes.
Right. He talks about how to prevent DIDN. Wow. Nothing.
I'm mommy should be.
That's medicine for.
Sounds so better.
Hey. Oh, you know.
Uni. My idea. My idea. Uni. Jenny number no.
Hey.
See me. My friend. My patron say. You want to go yare. No come bra. Oba. Oh, okay. Me back I'm
scared. That's cool.
Much as whatever we are. And say come bra no come man location. Oba.
Okay.
It's real. EP. They don't come what. The only bed in the year is stressing.
Are you sure?
It's about me, over. Shit, I know, sorry.
Okay.
Now you say sorry.
Hey.
What should I say? It's not punishment.
Hey.
Nor should I be a fridge. Nor you say.
Hey. Power.
Nor should I say.
Whatever.
Hey. It's with the money, yeah. Now should I say that the lady will come with you? Now down.
Professional style.
Nine round doesn't know one.
I so. I could never stop for it. Now, what should I use?
You're for them, mommy.
For them.
I think it's a very good idea. So, picking a number.
But so you
So, we just now I'm here. Hey, sister. Said I yearn. So now about fee. She didn't know what came. I tell me, says one, yes, wow, big Kim. Oh, with an attorney, took it came out. Hey, where was that?
Just a wait, this, Anna. What fee said, yeah, we're back on pretty much not to make me the bonnet. Sure. To read this, Anna. Welcome. To be a bit man.
So, one new
for some.
See, in a number, never.
Mama for we am friend. Can I
phone my friend.
But who say your number? Who say your number no?
Mama your phone phone.
Get it you. So who you friend na? See na, e be should add phone EP. Oh the e cho.
So ba kwa no ofra wo.
I know make her.
Make a number copy the friend. Let's see how it goes. Okay.
Hello. Good afternoon. What's your way, Dr. Point? Okay, Pacho, me wanna TikTok. That we are very serious. But I can't wait with me. Why if you want? Okay. But you will act soon. Okay. But you know the location is sent out to me. I know I'm back straight. Okay, bye. Oh, don't worry. Make your team to be there now. Oh no, like no one for no pa. Come to my sister and they yeah. Okay, bye.
Oh my God! We won. Just over. What time?
To see her. Don't know the yeah. Jill Jimmy yeah. It's a
Just change.
Money is ya, but
Yeah, okay.
Still very lucky on it. One for location send.
for Sunday is no.
Oh, anyway, what's up? Who's the number? Said, Obe won't fetch our
They once and the money no my son.
I like to go in a kitchen.
Myself should also follow. Don't can you cry by
Now, but since I'm fast and then my WhatsApp for Sunday no SMS. Sure, no, I will be said, oh, they make sure that's my boy, but obey, choose to you now. Oh, they make sure.
Oh, Charlie, thank you. You're making me meet my crush. Hey! I've been waiting and wanting to see this guy. God. Hey!
He's coming.
My goodness.
What are you pure?
My goodness. Yeah. Hey! About you.
I fall in love.
That is my forever crush. Oh, hey.
Oh, but you can see how what do, but your men down. Oh, young by young with
Mama, that's my mayor's house. Oh.
Hey, what did they say about falling in love?
Hey! Oba.
Now, but say that one price. Hey!
I'm waiting.
Jella, fall in love.
Oh, God. I know. The pink lips in the ground. Yes. Yes.
Okay, please.
Doctor.
Yes, me, Dr. Prince.
Oh, doctor.
Hello, girls.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Good.
Come in a minute, please. Yeah, Kelvin. Now, that guy, the medicine where I give him this afternoon, no share the work. Chain him well. Chain him for the this thing. Nah, you go come out. If you tell the chain, maybe all. The family members will come ask me, say, where my this thing day, the validation day. So I beg, chain him very well. And that guy to that attack watch guy to you to like apply to you mind no share the job well. So I beg him to make sure like you give him proper treatment then. Alright. I'll come right now. Thank you very much.
My friend is sick. We are waiting.
Listen, bless you. Sorry. Oh, what is it? Is she feeling dizzy or like
Not
not?
really long.
I think it's malaria.
Malaria? Oh, I should have. Let me check the temperature before I'll take you to the hospital.
Babes, this outside. We are going outside, so we are coming. Okay. Just when you see your apartment, but you are there by here.
Sure.
No, yeah.
Alright, then you guys should.
Yeah,
No.
I'm just on DIDN. See, pick up on DIDN. So,
Yeah, alright.
I'm gonna do you now.
Please, can you? Good.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh, doctor.
Relax. Okay, relax. I'm coming. Let me check.
So please, doctor, what's your name again?
Is it all?
What's your name?
I'm Prince.
Okay,
My name will not be important for now. Let me give you the treatment.
Okay. must say you're really a handsome doctor, you know.
Thank you. Stop it, please. Please, I'm a married man, please. Sorry.
You're a married man.
Yeah.
But you're not putting on your ring.
Come on, it doesn't matter.
But it doesn't show. I just say you want to talk.
I think your temperature is okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. I don't know the reason why.
I should check it well. I was very sick. So check it well.
What? No, come on. No, what's that? No, listen. No, come on. No, listen. No. Listen.
What? What are you doing?
Yes, sir.
What are you doing?
What are you doing here?
What am I doing here?
So, what's up?
Hey, Chairman.
Yes, sir. Big man.
I don't know.
Is it what?
Open there.
Can you say maybe on TikTok?
You can't say that will be something minimum.
I'm going to make a person in my mechanic, and I'm making more TikTok. Now, my doctor, I am church in Drew, and this will be called, can I say, we go come and be first money for the other day. So, I'll drop my number.
TikTok house.
And I should be here, and I'm going to make a TikTok house and tea. The number 2, as he said, should the case will be near me. I
Madam for Queen, and I'm also a doctor.
Queen doctor, war run with you.
They say nothing, they will talk and so on, chance must be friend. It's not what you think.
There's no way I'm thinking, say. Maybe I'm thinking, baby. There be my thinking, baby. Once I will think, man.
You're Queen visitor.
No, I say once I will Queen visitor. Where is Queen?
No, but I'll call her honor.
Queen call her now, one in one bedroom. Huh? Somebody else can say.
I'll fix it.
Hey, Chama. So when come on, want to my man deal with my girlfriend? I will slap you.
What would you do?
So wait.
What would you do to
Because you two are going to face a consequence.
Yes. What I do?
Yes. Because I've catch you. But
see, when you came, we weren't doing anything bad. So what have you catch him for?
I was outside listening everything. I saw what you were doing.
Okay, then deal with him.
I saw what you were doing.
Hey,
what are you doing?
Hey, big man, so let me continue my story as I'll say. It's not me, come on here. It's
Chairman. Me, my aqua, bonnie. Me, the oil and my atom. What are some of my catch on? Maybe now we are Palama, maybe to me a Palama. And I'm saying maybe to me a Palama. Hey, shut.
No, maybe me say on my pouch.
You want this thing to fight me?
So big man, I think thank you very much.
You want this thing to fight me?
Oh, I know you can fight him.
Yeah,
but to the Obuwa.
Sana will catch moi. And then the Sana will catch me. Tupus.
Yeah.
Is that what you're telling me?
You should be careful or else.
I should be careful. I should be careful and cool down and look at you doing this nonsense in my bedroom. What?
The old man said, fighting and committing a fighting. Name and much money I won't. It's no waiting on maybe a sheshe. What's going to say? It's not meeting fighting because me for in the first place, met me up on them. I ordered me beer and it's not meeting because
no weapon. Hey, I'm not a weapon fighter.
You say what?
Let me tell you, I'm not a weapon fighter. I'm not going to take any weapon.
Sir.
So, if you think you're going to fight me, stand up and
let's fight.
I respect my doctrine.
Stand up and let's fight.
No, hold on. So, you were interested in me, right?
Interested now, who can say? Net, you never saw coffee when we knew if I
me. I think it's the way.
Huh?
And I don't know.
Net, I said,
I'll give you medicine, okay? Listen.
Please take care of him for me. You can't do anything.
Yeah, ma'am, I ain't come on. We ain't put it, no problem. You come sit down. I'll give you medicine. Well, go and watch it.
Just imagine, say, what about me? No, that one out of time. Who come in there? Miss McCown. What about me? Who knew what draw? When you know that one, I know what time.
Oh, you from my
true, Brammy, my imagine, say me, Papa, at a cumbio being Nampanas to Menusa, Namu Chillimeter. Now, man, me want
to do. I also Harry. Mama on surgery.
Ono so yale.
You was more on surgery.
Man, because
What in Bojuma? Let me check something. Let me check something. You know something. Sometimes the weight of a man to count when it comes to when it comes to.
Please, doctor, don't waste your time. I'm going to call you. Yeah.
Let me say something. I want to say.
Gentleman, what is your problem? Hey, Jehovah. What? Hey, hey. And you?
What's what ferry?
And you?
What's what ferry?
What did my data to abandon? What did my data to abandon?
You
You are putting me outside of negativeness.
You shouldn't have come to embarrass yourself. Come
on, not to me. I
told him so to me.
I damn has said. Somebody no can san. Sana Woka.
Quick,
who should you out town? Just how what it at the time.
Martin. Quick.
Upon you.
So ferry. But that means I brought me near here, so we wasting the time.
No, man, Faminsa. Huh? Faminsa. Sana since Sadia Ned. Then not dear Ban saying what you may do to continue.
Tantaria, yes, if I'm a swimming as you any at Tantaria, into the Sami Sebele Mammy, Yahweh, but a me money pam pine. Could be a Yamasi sister Lebela, Kajuni Bam one tan. I didn't know what you can say. I want to one man is 3 white and anywhere destroying nature. One man I better buy a time to sell water. Men can't share me the neco. I mean, 3 hours. I first say, oh, baby, water. Sika mini be massive men, my gata. Was him I better buy a time, Savata. Now, Mrs. Sammy Sabby, mammy, because I've been need to down with water. Papa says, I miss a below you, whom I can't.